bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
To add layers to landscape material, start by accessing your landscape material settings in your design software. Introduce new material layers by selecting the Add Layer option, typically found within the Landscape Materials Properties panel. For each layer, specify the type, e.g., grass, soil, rock, and adjust its properties, such as color, texture, and scale, to match your design vision. Remember, the key is to layer these materials strategically to create a realistic and visually appealing landscape. Use blending options to seamlessly integrate layers for a natural look.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.